yummy. And then I'm thinking if ayusin ko na to para matapos ko na rin yung affiliate. Sobrang init. Essence.
May meats na in terms of diagnosis kasi parang the more infrequent may be diabetes, certain types of diabetes or something.
Try nga natin.
I love vlogging because it's just me, the camera, you guys, and that's it. There's no little adventures of the day. Today's adventures that went really good. Hey, hi guys. So right now, I'm just
So yummy.
to embody myself walking in the sun and delivering these lines. It's been such a long time since I memorized lines this much, but we will try. And yeah, I'm just waiting for the dean. He just went out to check because there's another KOL or key.
Hi guys, so medyo maingay lang today kasi may gumagawa sa labas and may nagtatahol yung aso kasi yung grinder ng tiles at saka yung boses ng ibang tao, yun, naiinis sila. So yun, medyo I don't feel good today. Actually, since yesterday, hindi na ako okay. Siguro because of my menstruation, hormonal imbalance and whatsoever. Pero yeah, kahapon medyo busy day. I had my second client na, or patient sa TMHR, and it was so fulfilling because I feel like kasayahan naman siya. I also got to see my ratings sa previous client ko and it was 9 out of 10. I feel like it's because of the noise outside. Hindi kami magkaintindihan masyado that time, and kaya kahapon I decided na i-take na lang yung session namin sa house nila JP, which is okay naman kasi umalis naman si JP sa room niya and he gave me space to do my work. And then after that, I will nag-work ako saglit and then we walk. And because nga meron ako, after namin mag-dinner, wala na, nakatulog na talaga ako as in. And then, yun, kakagising ko lang around mga 5 AM. After ko mag-ayos ng mga kalat dito, like yung poop nila mami, yung bed ko, and everything, naligo na ako because I have na. And then, after ko maligo, nagluto na ako, which is yung nakita nyo kanina, yung, ano bang tawag dun? Yung isang pechay na may tilapia. Hindi ko alam, invento ko lang. Kasi ginisang pechay na may tokwa talaga originally yun. Pero, si mami kasi, yung lola ko, used to cook that before. Ginagawa niya yung sa tokwa, tilapia. And, kasi may kulang yung akin, hindi ako naglagay ng iba't ibang gulay pa. Kasi tinamad na ako. Tsaka ako lang naman kasi yung kakain. So, alam niyo naman, kapag mag-isa ka lang, nakakatamad kumain. Hindi ko lang ba't ako nainis na rin ako sa sarili ko. And I will try to minimize using it. Minimize. Hindi ko alam. Basta yan. So, right now, mag-work na ako. And then, ano pa? We're planning to go out. And siguro doon na lang ako mag-edit ng vlog ko. Pero, not sure. And also, birthday ni April. I will post a vlog ng alis namin for her advance celeb. Siguro matagal-tagal pa, pero basta masaya yun. Nag-vlog ako nun. And then, yun lang. Now, mag-work muna ako para mamaya medyo less hassle na for me. Kasi medyo mabigat yung files ko as of now sa mga ginagawa. Kaya, kailangan ko makatapos ng isang task here and then do the easier task sa labas para less hassle for me. And hindi rin sayang sa load. So, yun. Hi! break time guys. So, maglalaro muna kami. Kasi mag-i-stream si JP. So, damayan ko muna siya. Yun!
Uy, gago. Straight. May baril ako dun ah. Kaya mo mag-push.
Guys, pahinga muna tayo sa work. Si Piwi muna. Sasalo ng trabaho. Good morning. Good morning. Where's the birthday girl? Where's Piwi, Kitty? It's Kitty's tuloy. It's Piwi's birthday. Good morning. Yan. Kulit ng bata. So, actually, nakabili na kami ng cake. Ako pala, nakabili na ako ng cake ni Piwi nung Monday pa. If I'm not mistaken. Tapos, hindi ko kasi napansin na Thursday pala yung birthday niya. May pasok ako ng Thursday sa school. Akala ko din online na lang yung pasok namin. Pero kasi yung prof ko na from Spain, umuwi siya dito. So, imbis na online na ngayon, nag-request yung prof namin na magbigay nga daw ng time since minsan lang siya makauwi dito or makapunta dito. Hindi makauwi kasi foreign talaga siya. So, minsan lang siya makapunta dito for his student and I want to maximize his time. So, yeah. And then, I think celebration ng birthday ni TV is Saturday na. But I have some errands din sa Saturday. So, hindi ko pa alam kung paano talaga yung mangyayari. So, update guys. Linis-linis na ako. Naghugas na nga ako ng mga sleepers ko din sa labas. Kasi may gumagawa nga dun. And then, sobrang alikabok. So, I decided na ilagay muna lahat ng panlabas dito sa laundry area. And meron akong katangahan na nagawa kasi sobrang tamad ko. Sabi ko, nahugasan ko na yung pan ko, ganyan. Eh, sakto, meron pa akong leftover rice. And then, kakain na sila Moby. So, para hindi naman masayang since hindi naman siya napanis, di ko kasi siya nalagay sa ref. Sabi ko, gagawin ko sila ng food ngayon. Since birthday nga ni Piwi, ganyan. So, ito, successful. Gagawa ko sila ng food. Diba? Ay, kita ba? Ito pala. Yan. Ay, hindi successful. Sinama ko kasi yung... Ayan. Ang gulo. Sinama ko kasi yung kalabasa dun sa rice cooker kasi matalino akong bata. Nasunog. So, ngayon, mahirapan pa ako. So, lilinisin ko lang to. And then, antayin ko lumamig yung food nila. Kasi nagagalit na yung mga boss ko eh. Ayan o. Ayan. Yung birthday girl. And then, pakainin ko sila. Tapos, hanap ako ng makakain ko. I don't know if mag-rice ba ako ngayon since mag-8 a.m. pa lang. And then may class ako ng 2 p.m. So I don't know if mag-rice na ako ngayon and then bread mamaya or bread right now. And then mamaya ako mag-rice. So update ko na lang kayo. Got that. Pinapalamig ko. Pero nakitan kasi ako kung may heart shape kasi yung vitamins nila. So cute. So sinasama ko na yan kasi dahil ko nakakalimutan kakainin ng vitamins sila. Ano, may nag-aamok. Sobrang init pa nga po. Ay, bad kitty ha, bad. Nom. Happy birthday, Piwi! Wow, ate Moby. Hoy, kainin mo yung vitamins mo, ha? Very good. Muna nyo na yung vitamins niya kasi lagi siyang nananakawan. Inaagaw. Yan, ganyan kumain si Moby. Iniisa-isa niya. Dahan-dahan lang po, baby. Okay. So, for my breakfast, I'm gonna cook na lang ham. Then, make ham and egg. So, ham and egg pala yung lulutuin ko. Ham and egg. So, mag-ham and egg sandwich ako. So, yun. Sama ko kay Saki. So, nag-iisip ako since I still have time naman. Kung mag-work pa ba ako or later na lang pag-uwi. Ang ulang na yun. I don't have butter na. Lessen my food intake, guys. Kasi, I know kasi isihan ko to in the long run. Sobrang taba ako na. Sobrang intake ko ng food. Actually, pinagsisisihan ko na siya. Kasi, ang dami kong damit na hindi nakasya sa akin. And, ang dami ng hindi bagay sa akin. Kasya pero hindi na bagay. And it's, well, honestly, never naman ako naging confident sa katawan ko. Wait lang, ayos. Never naman ako naging confident sa body type ko kahit nung times na sobrang fit pa ako. I do post a lot na nag-gym ako and I feel good about myself during those times. But never talaga ako naging confident. Nung times na sobrang payat ko, around 49. Kasi nag-start ako mag-gym after grad and imagine I was only 49 kg. Ginawa ko lang siya kasi yung kapatid ko medyo depressed that time. And I know na kailangan niya ng outlet, kailangan niya ng way para mabisi siya. Eh, work from home kasi kami. Saray. So, going out actually, medyo lang hirap. Kasi hindi naman never an option, pero mahirap siyang gawing option for someone who's not feeling well. Diba? And then, so, ayun. I decided to go to gym and then hindi ako consistent and that's the problem. Doon na nagsimula yun. I wasn't consistent. So, I will feel good for like a moment of time. And then, marirealize ko na lang. Tinatamad na naman ako. And then, I won't go to gym. Body check. Tamad kasi ako. Nung nakita kong I look good na, I'll stop na because back then, nakala ko forever yung metabolism ko na mabilis. Hindi ako tataba. Tulad ng college times. But, I was wrong. And that's too much salt. I was wrong. And, all those muscles I gained, yung sobrang fit ko, wala na siya. Fats na siya, girl. And I don't know anymore. Ang hirap-hirap magpapagad and bumalik sa momentum na you're so into gym.
And it's gorgeous. And yeah, that's it. Let's make coffee and clean the machine. I'm gonna put this straight out to a cafe. Stuff that's very nice. I also really like their cookies there. Laundry is.
So right now, we're just catching up on size vlog kasi medyo na-busy tayo lately. And then, I'm thinking if ayusin ko na to para matapos ko na rin yung affiliate video ko. Hi, Sai. So, time check guys. It's already 12 to be exact. And this one na-share na natanggal ko yung sunog. Sobrang init. Esenso. Na lang, nagdala ako ng jacket. Kasi sobrang sakit ng init.
also basically like social education the city. Yes.
I have a question. Would sustainability be inherently more attainable under a different economic system, under the capitalism? Like, for example, if it's a different economic system, would sustainability be more attainable? If the current economy was not based on consumerism and capitalism, would sustainability be better? Would it be more attainable?
Yes, we will see this when we analyze the concept of sustainability.
If the current economy was not based on consumerism and capitalism, would sustainability be better? Would it be more attainable?
Yes, we will see this when we analyze the concept of sustainability.
So, tapos na ang class ko, guys. Medyo mainit and naligaw ako. Actually, kaya pagkadating ko ng classroom, medyo pawis na ako. Actually, hindi medyo pawis na talaga. Buti na lang din na movie yung class ng around 3:30. So, hindi ako na late. Pero talaga lang, kung hindi na move, late na ako. So, yun. Movie muna ako, guys.
Arriving at Bimapa Station. Paparating na sa Bimapa Station.
Thanks sa sundo.
Ano sa'yo? May pizza sila.
So, nasa Baliktanaw kami, guys. Sinundo niya ako sa Marikina Station. Sobrang init. So, pahinga lang kami din. Waiting na lang sa food. Naka-order naman na. Then, baka magbihis ako kasi di ko nakakita. Amo kaya ng taon. Ano? Okay, nag-aamok na.
That may also become a challenge, no, in terms of diagnosis. Kasi parang the more information you have, mas dumadami minsan yung kailangan mong i-consider din. So it leads to some challenges also. Okay? Questions first or clarifications? I hope I'm not going too fast. Yes, Isabel.
Dok, ano ko lang po yung sa friend ko kasi medyo kanya. Kasi sabi po niya sa akin parang nagkaroon
Diabetes, certain types of diabetes or severities of diabetes may lead to symptoms of depression. And that is a direct